Aperi is a new company. We are 3 years old, 1 year in the market with a product that brings actually all high computational functions like media processing in the broadcast space to the cloud.
Aperi is a platform that can be given to customers so that they can very elastically run the functions that they need at the pace that they need, not having to pre-allocate or to do too much of capacity planning about what they will require in the next months or years, in a way that you can build your knowledge and your functions about how you want to manage all these resources depending on what you're doing.
A big part of what we're doing here at Aperi is trying to bring a lot of these sort of large-scale practices from the cloud and from higher level software development into sort of a contiguous pipeline from like the IP core vendor to the delivery of the product as an application.
With Xilinx we have worked for 3 years to actually abstract the functions in a way that you can deploy functions on the FPGA architecture almost on the fly.
Xilinx has done tremendous amounts of work in terms of making FPGAs in a sense more accessible to a broader range of developers. So, making C compilable to FPGA, MATLAB, these kind of projects to bring in a larger developer base. We're poised in a place where we can start taking that larger developer base and giving them sort of a railed or pipelined experience to compile their intellectual property and their ideas onto a platform where they can just start delivering to FPGAs in the same way that everybody has been delivering to x86. We don't believe that there should really be a huge experiential difference.
Yeah, the Aperi platform is a fully open standard-based platform. There's nothing video specific in it, but because of the sheer performance of the FPGA resources together with the Ethernet switch, makes it ideal for high computational functions that could be live video in broadcast, what we're doing at the moment, but also, for example, for high frequency trading, deep learning, machine learning. There are a lot of aspects in there. Pattern recognition, where you need to be very fast, because the key attributes of the platform are low power consumption relative to the performance it delivers, and very low latencies of the processing functions.
There's a very big difference between an FPGA and an x86, but we believe that the pipelines can be just as smooth and live side by side. With a strong vision of bringing those FPGAs into the data center as first-class citizens, being able to deliver functionality directly onto those without having to have an entire x86 server to back it up necessarily,